Hey, good afternoon, AP Lit folks. Mr. Casey here, of course. Just checking in with you about what we're going to be doing this week in class. So I won't see you till Thursday, but it's good to get this figured out now. So what I'd like you to do first off is to finish filling out the poetic device, poetic terms sheet. You did about three-quarters of them for last class, but do the rest. So I bolded the whole page, you can see. So just fill out the ones you haven't filled out, and think about how they might be used, what they, what some of the more sort of nuanced applications of these might look like in some of the poems we're going to read. And also, if you scroll down, or if I scroll down, you can see that, they're all in bold. And then also, I have listed the major allusions that many of these we spoke about last time, but I've listed them in some semblance of order here. So you want to fill these out as well. They don't need extensive definitions, but you should know who the major Greek gods are, more or less what the deal is with, Odysseus or Penelope and these kind of people, etc. So fill all this out for next class. And in addition to going over that, we're going to read a couple poems by some African American poets, one from a while ago and one from more recently. Kind of just missed today, I believe, is the last day of Black History Month, but that doesn't matter. We'll do it whenever we feel like it, and this week seems like a perfect opportunity. And we'll read a couple of these great poems. It's two of my favorites, and then we're going to be looking forward to the following week. We will have a quiz over all the poetic terms and and some of the other poetic structures we've been talking about. You'll have to know you'll have to know both what type of poem it is, but also how the literary devices are being used in the poem, etc. So, but that's 2 weeks from now, so we're okay on that. We'll talk about that in class this week. So fill these out. And the other thing is I had you read up to chapter 5 in Jane Eyre. If you can, try to get to chapter 10, and we will start Jane Eyre in the second half of class this week. So we're going to get into the first few chapters, what goes on, helping you understand it, talking about some of the themes after we do our poetry work this week. So that's where we are. We're going to go over poetry, finish these terms, get ready for the quiz next week, and then read a couple of really good poems, talk about how the poetic devices are used in those poems, and then take about 20 minutes or so and get into Jane Eyre at the end of the class. So, all right, I hope that makes sense, and I'll probably drop another video as the week gets on, but I wanted to let you get started on things and just check in with you. So, okay, I will talk to you later this week. Bye-bye.